thought you might like to see my feet. Here they are, all 10 toes, in good working order. What else? What else? What else do you want to tell Daddy? I miss you. Daddy, I miss you. My face has gotten fatter since you left. Want to blow Daddy kisses? Say, mwah. Hi, Daddy. See if we're gonna stand up now. Okay. Where are we? Hi! Hi, Daddy. Okay. Gotta go.